Students, now we will going to discuss optical isomerism. And as we know that the optical isomerism is seen in the substances which can rotate the plane of polarized light. A substance to be optically active, it should rotate the plane of polarized light equally but in the opposite direction. Such type of substances are called the optical isomers, and when they rotate the plane polarized light towards right, they will be dextrorotatory and will be shown by D notation, and those which rotate the plane polarized light towards left will be called the levorotatory and shown by this L notation. And this is seen that they have the identical physical and chemical properties. They differ only in the direction of the light, direction of the rotation of light. And one thing more, for a substance to be optically active, it should not have a plane of symmetry. Means it should not have a plane of symmetry. It should have different groups attached to the carbon. So when the two forms of these isomers, that is dextro and levorotatory, are mixed in the equal concentration and they form the solution, then the rotation of the two isomers will cancel each other, and such mixture, which is called the DL type mixture, this will be called the racemic mixture, and it will not rotate the plane of the light, plane of the polarized light, so it will be optically inactive. Now coordination compounds show optical isomerism. Let's discuss them. First we will discuss about the coordination compounds that have the coordination number of 4. When we say coordination number 4, we are talking about the tetrahedral and the square planar complexes. And when tetrahedral complexes, it is seen that they are optically active since they have no plane of plane of the symmetry. For example, we are taking this example in which compound of beryllium and the tetrahedral complexes are optically active, and since there is no plane of symmetry and they are optically active and they will rotate the plane polarized light, but they are not isolated. Tetrahedral compounds are not isolated as the isomers because they are very labile and it's not possible to isolate them. This compound is the bis-benzyloacetonate beryllium second compound. This is a non-superimposable mirror images of each other, and so they will be the optically active. Now we come to the square planar complexes. Square planar complexes will not be optically active since they have a plane of symmetry, so then they will not be optically active. And now we will talk about the coordination number 6. When we say compounds with coordination number 6, we come across several types of the octahedral complexes. For example, the type M A whole thrice. When we say MAA3, this means that this AA is a symmetrical bidentate legend. This will be optically active compound. Look how this is cobalt. N N N N, and one enters here. Here we have EN, that is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine, this is bidentate symmetrical ligand, and here we have En. This is the mirror image of CO. This will be optically active. Now compounds of the type, octahedral compounds of the type MAA2B, MAA2B2, or with MAA2BC. That is, they have bidentate ligand and two monodentate ligands also. They will also be optically active and they will show optical isomerism. For example, let's take the example of CO, Cl, NH3, N, A2 means here we will have En, let's take this example, RH, Cl, N, En over here and En over here. That is two bidentate symmetrical ligand, that is this two, and two monodentate ligands, that is these one, with plus. This will be the mirror image of this Cl, N, 1 En will be here, this one, and another will be here, En, and it will be so this will also be optically active. This is a cis form. Cis form is found to be optically active, while the trans form will not be optically active since it has a plane of symmetry. So trans form will not be active, but cis form will be active. This is a cis form and it will be optically active for this formula, for this type of complexes, octahedral complexes. Now octahedral complexes with the type, that is MAA2B2C2, means those which have one bidentate ligand, they will also show the optical isomerism. For example, let's take this example, CO, Cl, NH3, N, and here also let's take N, En, CO, Cl over here, NH3 over here, and here N and N, and with En, and Cl over here, NH3 over here. This will also be optically active compound. This have one symmetric bidentate legend and they are also the mirror images. Now compounds having tetrahedral compounds with the hexadentate legends, they will also be optically active. Hexadentate legend means we are talking about ethylene diamine tetraacetato, and they will also be optically active. Now this was for the optic isomerism in case of octahedral complexes and the tetrahedral and square planar complexes.